Hello everyone! So my name is Emily Selesky and I'm here to share with you Amazon's operation strategy and breaking down their strategic mission and everything in between. So let's get started. So before we start, since we are on an online platform, let me just introduce myself. My name is Emily Selesky. I am a junior at Bay Path University studying business administration with a minor in psychology. Here is my headshot so you guys can get a little brief understanding of what I look like. Things that I like to do, I like to run and hike and kayak. I'm very outdoorsy, and I currently have an internship and I work part-time at a assisted living facility as an administrative assistant. So that's just a little bit about me. So now let us dive in. So I chose Amazon to understand their operations strategy, and we're going to talk about their strategic mission and their overall strategy and their competitive priorities. And so what makes them stand out, their different competitors, and what prioritizes them amongst the crowd. So to get started on the first slide, Amazon's mission. So they state that we strive to offer our customers the lowest possible prices, the best available selection, and the utmost convenience. So Amazon ensures that their operations management satisfies all of their operation management throughout their company. And since Amazon is only available online, that sets them back only just a smidge, because there is no store, there is no place that we as consumers can go into physically and look at their products before consuming them, before even buying them. We can only see them on our tablets, on our phones, and on our laptops or computers. So that is something that is difficult with an online retail brand. So their strategy, how Amazon makes their operations strategy top-notch. And an example of Amazon being a significance to the technological productivity is their Amazon Prime. The fact that Amazon Prime even exists is an example of how their operation management works so well. The fact that they offer one-day shipment to their consumers helps tremendously and helps them stand out, and also makes them stand out amongst their competitors. Now here is the different ways that Amazon has the different strategies throughout the company. So Amazon has the design of goods and services. The idea of having the organizational output is covered in this area of operations management. So Amazon addresses this main concern through its technology. So an example of this is they use advanced information and communication to ensure that its retail services are efficient to communicating to its target audience. Next is quality management. The company uses its main organizational culture to support innovative ideas and creation amongst employees. So for example, an Amazon employee will encourage to be bold and to pioneer in creating new ideas. And then we have proceeds and capacity design. The objective of this is for operation management to optimize a product of the capacity of this design. So next slide, we have location strategy. Again, like I said before, because it's an online retail-based company, the accessibility of resources and markets is considered in this strategic design of operations management. It's to emphasize on the strategic location of the warehouse. So the idea is to find the largest possible number of customers of the online retail business. Next, we have the layout design and strategy of the company. So Amazon addresses this objective through the neat layout designs that overlook with its computer-assisted processes. So an example of this in this company's warehouses and fulfillment centers. The corresponding layouts, it utilizes the shelf space and the minimization of aisles to achieve optimal capacity without reducing process efficiency in Amazon's online retail businesses. Next, we have the job design and HR function. So I'm going into human resource management once I graduate with my bachelor's, and I understand that HR and operations are very similar and they work side by side. So human resource development is the focus in this strategic decision area. So Amazon's operations management uses the combination of its in-house employee processes and the third-party employment agencies. So Amazon's recruitment and hiring processes are aligned to the organizational growth and HR needs in corporate offices. So continuing on with this, we have supply chain management, inventory management, scheduling, and then maintenance. Supply chain management, operations management concern in this strategic decision area is to streamline the supply chain to support organizational objectives. The idea of an inventory management. For Amazon, it holds other goods as part of its finished goods inventory. And then for scheduling, like HR, operations managers, they consider intermediate, and short-term schedules to ensure that resources satisfy market needs. And then last on this list, we have maintenance. Amazon is always on the lookout for advanced technologies since, working with the internet, we are always ever changing. So advanced technologies to improve its operational efficiencies is always important. So workers are regularly trained to maintain capacity in regards to maintenance. Now, when it comes to competitive priorities, Amazon is on track to being the biggest retailer in the United States. And it is almost as large as Walmart. By the time 2022 hits, they are going to be the largest retailer in the United States. So Amazon has kept expanding their categories, such as adding little by little different things to their site. They have added